MarineMax of Rogers. My name is Josh Simonson. I want to walk you through a brand new boat we just got in. This is the Nautique S21. The S model of boats come in 21 feet, 23, and 25. This is a new model last year. So this is a great all-around boat, a little bit deeper with the hull, a lot of fun, a little bit more of that pointed bow, so it's a nice traditional bow. So let's take a walk around this. As you can see here, we got the nice black or onyx bottom. And then this blue right here is called a steel blue. It comes just like this, where it's just this color, or you can get it in a metal flake. So they do a steel blue metal flake as well, but with the black with the steel blue. And then if we come to the back, got the nice swim platform to hang out. They did redo this platform a couple years ago. It has a nice handle right up in here to get you back onto the boat. And then in true Nautique fashion, we've got the NS system, so the Nautique surf system. We got the surf pipe and the NCRS, so the Nautique configurable running surface. And all this is going to help with your surfing, wakeboarding, and just using the boat, getting up on plane. So let's go take a look at the interior and all the options and colors. All right, welcome to the interior of the S21. First, want to point out back here at the transom, we got these nice seats right back in here. We got some nice cup holders. Right in the middle there is a pop-up pylon, so if you do want to ski or hook up a tube, you can do that as well. We got the stereo remote back there, so if you're hanging out back here with the family, it's just a nice place to chill. And then when you want to walk on the boat, and again, true Nautique fashion, they got the nice sea deck all the way through, and it's tiered. So as you step up, and then it tiers down into the boat as well. So let's take a look. I'll show you right here. We got some beautiful storage. Kind of runs along the line of our G23s and G21s. Got nice deep storage. All the bags and fat sacks are underneath the subfloor. So that's kind of nice to have. And then as we walk in, we've got a nice step right down. This is a seat that does pop out. I'll show you that. So you can lift that up. And if who's ever surfing or wakeboarding can sit here and look back the other way. I've also got this seat that pops up here as well. So again, 21 feet in length, so we've got nice seating all the way around here. I'll look up here at the tower. We've got one pair of 8.8 inch JL drivers, so really nice, gets lots of music out into the back. If you don't want to have these on, there's actually a control at the helm here where you can turn those all the way down and just have music here in the interior as well. And then we got your board racks. Those swivel in and out. And then the tower does go down manually. You just pull this up, pull that one up, and it goes down backward. We got some storage underneath this seat. And then as we come over here to the helm area, we've got a nice seat here with a bolster. So nice and easy to get yourself up a little bit higher, or if you just want to sit down, and then a nice little cutout right here for your leg. Beautiful looking steering wheel, place for your phone. And then in the instrumentation is where you have all of your information. So press a button to get yourself surfing or wakeboarding, and to control the stereo as well. So again, 21 feet. We got a nice bow here, and you can fit maybe 2 to 3 people up in the bow. Pretty nice layout. You can get a filler cushion here for the bow as well. Again, S21, so this boat is here in our Rogers location. If you want to come take a look, give us a call and set up an appointment, or just stop on by. We'd love to show you this boat, and I hope you have a great day.